Hello everybody, today we're going to be making stuffed pumpkins. These are so cute and so perfect for the fall, so you guys should give it a shot. And to start off, the reason why you can use either, a normal sized pumpkin or a small pumpkin, whatever you guys want. However, we thought that the smaller ones were nicer because each individual person could eat it, or maybe you could share with someone, but that way it's not like a massive thing that everyone's trying to reach out of. It's just nice to have your own cute little pumpkin. So we got small ones, and every single one is a little bit different, and it has a little bit different of a taste depending on what it looks like, as in the filling of it. So let us know what your favorite pumpkin is. And first of all, it's a little bit tricky to cut these because it's very hard. So what my mom likes to do is first go in with a normal knife and just make a line around the top where she's going to need to cut it, and she'll go in with a carving knife or just a smaller knife, like a steak knife, and cut it all the way through because that will be able to pierce through the shell of the pumpkin. And then you're going to go ahead and scrape out all of the guts and the seeds. And it smells so good. I love this part. And my grandpa also ended up making all of these pumpkin seeds into a snack for later, and you guys can check that video out in the upper right hand corner. Next, we're going to move on to what we're going to coat the inside of the pumpkin with. Just add some olive oil and some salt and add it straight into your pumpkin. It's going to cook it from the inside a little bit. Don't forget the top part as well. And the outside to make it look pretty after it's done in the oven. Granted, you're not eating the outside. I mean, I guess you could. I think anything's edible if you put your mind to it. But, for now, maybe don't do that. Anyways, once you've done this for all of the pumpkins, go ahead and stick it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we can finally move on to the filling. So, onion, chop it up. I love this part. It's very satisfying watching my mom do this because I definitely cannot do it like this. So, it's nice to watch things that you'll never have. And once that's all done, we're also going to chop up some peppers. We like to get 3 different colors, and I am certain that the 3 of them all taste different. So, placebo effect, maybe not. And just go ahead and chop those up as well into thin little strips, and then into little cubes. I love cutting peppers open because sometimes there's like another pepper growing inside of it, and it's so cute. It's like its child. And also don't forget about some carrots. And the reason why you saw those already pre-cut is because we usually buy our carrots and our beans actually already frozen. So it's really easy to just thaw it out and use it because we use it a lot, and it's obviously a little bit more difficult to cut up carrots, especially because we're going to be using it to cook. So we don't want the carrots to be hard in our dish. So you guys should do that if you also like having your time back. And now all my mom has done is just put the onions in the pot with olive oil, and she's going to add in all of the vegetables that we just cut up. So the carrots, the peppers, and then we're going to add a couple of spices. And if you guys want us to show you how we make our spices, specifically the vegetable broth seasoning, because obviously we can't make paprika, let us know, or just go ahead and click the video in the upper right hand corner. It's a lot better to use this than the little cubes you can get, which you know nothing about. So this ensures that you know what's going into your food. And honestly, I think it just tastes better anyways. It's very simple to make. Oh yeah, you might have missed that, but secret ingredient is apple cider vinegar because it gives it a really sweet and sour taste. So don't forget about that. But yeah, add in all of your spices, top it off with some boiling hot water, and then let that cook. Oh yeah, and there's also rice in there now, in case you missed that. And then once that's all done, take your pumpkins that are also all done cooking a bit in the oven, and we're going to add our filling to it. Nice. And then cover them on up, and they are ready to go to the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now they're ready to go. We hope you guys enjoyed this dish and that there are an aesthetic touch to any fall table you may be creating. And yeah, which pumpkin is your favorite? Let us know. Happy stuffed pumpkining. Bye!